let me tell you, the illegal coal starts for the last 10 years. The illegal transportation of coal is for the last 10 years. Drugs, more than 10 years. Anything, for example, today, if you carry chicken from Guwahati to Shillong, you have to pay 20 or 30,000 per pickup. It came in the social media, it came in the news. If you have to carry coal from Jante Hills to Guwahati, you have to pay 96,000. It is there in the social media, it is there in the thing. If you have to carry limestone from Jante Hills to Guwahati, you have to pay 20,000. It's there in the, it is in record. If you have to carry sand, if you carry anything, you have to make an entry. So everything needs an entry, and this entry starts for the last 10 years. So I fully support Mukul's idea that we should have an investigation